I don't know. I'm finding stuff in my room here that I'm trying to just. I don't know how I look. How do I look? I don't have a mirror. But anyways, I'm gonna look silly for this one. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Arati. Today we're gonna actually go over doing a oil change on my Lexus IS250. You see what I did there? See what I did there? This is in one take. You see that? Become professional. You know, I'm liking this this vibe. It's been 2 days of recording, and I'm just like in a mood, a drive. I don't know. But anyways, I'm just having fun with this real quick. Anyways, we're gonna do an oil change on my Lexus IS250, and I hope you enjoy this video. And let's get into it. First, remove the oil cap. Then locate and remove the oil drain plug. Then move your oil drain container into position and drain the oil. Locate and remove cover for oil filter. You are going to need the oil filter removal cap for Toyotas, Lexus, and Scion. Reinstall your oil drain plug. Remember, just a little nudge. Now remove the oil filter. Now remove and replace the oil filter and its seal. First, go counterclockwise and then clockwise to make sure that you're not cross-threading the threads. Make sure it is seated properly and just give it a small nudge with the tool to hold it in place. Sometimes the tool can get stuck on there like this, so give it a little tap and it will come off. Now you can go ahead and top off the oil. Right here, I am just checking the oil level to make sure it's okay before I take it off the ramps. Now I'm just gonna do my last final checks and add oil if needed. Make sure that the oil level is between the two marks. Lexus or any Toyota model, to reset the light, you go in and you'll press the start stop button one time and put the key in the first position. Then you press the second time, your cluster should move. Then you'll set your trip right here to mileage, which I'll move it off and put it back. Put on mileage, it's about in the corner. Then you're going to go back, press the button once, right, to turn everything off. Then you're gonna press it one more time to make this message come on. Now you're gonna press and hold the trip button and press the start stop button one time. Now you're gonna have right here, you see that it's counting down, and that's how you would reset the oil light. Alright, so I hope this video helped, and I look silly. I'm not sure if I look silly. Super Saiyan, I don't know. But anyways, just me fooling around real quick. So I hope this video helped you with the oil change on your Lexus IS250. It's very simple. All Toyotas is the same. Lexus, Toyota, Scion. Am I missing one? I feel like I'm missing one. But until then, they're all the same thing. Drain the oil, hold the reset button till it goes away, till the light reset, and you're pretty much good to go. See you next time.